If you wanna know what's cooking, what's running 999.
Hey everyone, so today we're gonna be making garlic pork saute. Let's go. Salt and pepper on both sides. Rub the salt and pepper into the pork. Pour in just enough sake to cover to tenderize the pork. You can use Coca-Cola or milk instead. Set aside for about at least 30 minutes. Stir fry garlic for a few minutes. Take out the garlic chips. Drain the pork. Pan fry the pork on both sides. Add some water to the juice from the pork. Also ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. Boil the gravy till it's reduced to half the quantity. With mashed potato and garlic chips, it was so good. Yes. Thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.